Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a TV portable aerial antenna. So I've received this box to review, and actually it comes with a very small boxing, I would say here. So it supports the 4K Ultra HD and it would give you the free channels. A very easy installation, so directly connect it to HD TV or add a converter box firstly for the TV without HD tuner. And it could connect to the window, or it could be connected to a metal box. And these are the information about the frequency: VHF 174 to 230 megahertz, or UHF basically 470 to 862 megahertz. These are the ranges. So some certifications in here: enjoy free channels, long range 360 signal reception, strong magnetic base for easy setup, and designed for both indoor and RV use. So I would open the box. So let's see what we have got in here. This is the antenna, and basically this is the user manual of it. Let's have a look. Pretty much the same instruction as the one written on the box. So basically it's no usage here. Please check your local website online to find out how many digital TV channels you can receive in your areas. Okay, alright, nothing specific about it, just very general. This is the antenna. It's magnetic here, so this is the antenna itself, and it's the cable, and this is the coaxial cable, I guess, if it's the correct name, I think. And yeah, this would be pretty much connecting to TV, and there should be the channel. So this magnet I think should be quite strong. Let's try it on one of the phone covers. Yeah, it's pretty strong, I would say, and it should stick to some metal covers for the better basically connections. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. That was a quick one. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and if you have some products for me to review, I'm happy to do so. Get in touch with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I always have new videos coming up, so make sure that you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and bye bye.